NP family, welcome back to NPTressTreats TV. Alicia here with a quick tutorial for you using the Peacock Teal scarf. So I'm going to give you two quick styles. What you need for the first style is just the scarf. For the second style, you're going to need one of our minis and a scarf. So for the first style, it's going to just be like a quick, fold it in half and then take it, put your hair back, put it along the hairline, and then just tie it in the back, right? Like a quick and easy, simple style, to go run errands, right? Super easy. You can do like a double knot in the back if you want to secure it. Right, so there you go. The second style is going to be something more fun, and that's what you need the mini scrunchie for. So first what we're going to do is, before we do the style, we're going to put a little bit of oil, that's a magic, and then a little bit of witch spray, which I love your hair. These are my favorite two hair products. So, we're just going to take it, just going to spray it all over, and then a little, because it smells freaking amazing. And then you're gonna take a little bit of That's That Magic, a little squirt, just to give yourself a quick little scalp massage. Just nothing too crazy. And then what you're gonna do is, and because, it is a hair and body oil, you can rub it into your hands. So you're gonna grab your scarf, right? And then you're gonna take your hair and we're gonna put it up in a bun using your mini, and it could be a loose bun, not tight, so just a little bun here. Oops, I'm gonna drop my scarf. So then we're gonna take your scarf, we're gonna fold it in half, and then we're gonna fold it and fold it and fold it and then fold it again, and grab the center, and we're just gonna take it around the bun and take it here and then just tie it in a knot like so. Adjust your bun as necessary, and this could be done with any hair type, any hair texture. So you're going to take it, do a little bunny ear like you're tying your shoe, take it around, do another little bunny ear, and then just make like a cute bow, right? So you can have your bun and bow together. Just a cute, like, simple, quick and easy hairstyle for you, like, to go run errands, to go on a date, whatever you like. So just a little bit of background. So the reason why I started sharing, like, scarves and outfits, so I got this dress from Amazon. Super simple, super simple dress. You can take it, throw it with some Converse, with the sneaker of your choice, your scarf, and you're ready to go. But anyway, the reason I started doing this scarf and outfit combo is just because I got tired of wearing leggings all the time and was just like, I need to like step my game up when I go out and run errands. I know it's just errands, but you feel so much better when you are dressed cuter. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, so that's it. So two quick and easy styles, cute and simple dress, throw on some sneakers, and you got it. Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Love ya.